Today we'll discuss the naming of haloalkane and halorine. Both the common and the IPSC name we'll discuss. The common name is arises from the alkanes. The alkane, you remove the AN part and then you add YL and then halite. This is alkyl halite. Their name is the alkyl halite. They are designated as the RX. The R is the alkyl group and X is the halite. So if it is that, for example, the CH3Br, then this CH3 is the methyl group and the Br is the bromide, so name is the methyl bromide. And this is the CH3CH2CH2Cl. This is propyl group. This is obtained from the propane, so it is called propyl. And this is Cl. This is chloride. So it is in the normal scene here, the state scene. So it is known as the normal propyl chloride. This is N-propyl chloride. Similarly, is that N-pentyl iodide. It is when it is iodine. When one methyl group attaches to the carbon from the terminal end, then it is known as the iso. This is the common name that the halogen atom attaches to this carbon, and from the terminal end, this is terminal carbon. From this 1 2, this at the second carbon number 2, the one methyl group is present, so it is known as the iso. So whenever one methyl group is at the terminal carbon number 2 from the terminal end, then it is known as iso. So similarly, this is the iso 1 2 3 4. So from the terminal end, this is carbon number 2 and this is iso. How many carbon here present? 1 2 3 4 5. So it is called the isopentyl halite. Isopentyl halite. So for example, you see that how many carbon? 1 2 3 4. This is carbon number 2 1 methyl. This is isobutyl chloride. And 1 2 3 4 5 6. And this is isohexyl chloride. This is carbon number 2 1 methyl group is present. And whenever this 3 alkyl group is present at the carbon atom, then one group is present here. This is the one functional group, that is halite is present. Then this is called a tertiary compound. In another, if the other functional groups are present, then it is also known as the tertiary. And so here it is halogen, so it is the tertiary alkyl halite. The name is tertiary alkyl halite. So how many carbon here? 4. So it is known as tertiary butyl chloride. So another compound is called a neo compound. When it is compound is called neo, the 2 methyl group present at the carbon number 2, then it is known as the neo. So if you see this, that from the terminal end, this is terminal end carbon number 2 methyl, 1 methyl and another methyl group is present, then it is known as neo. The compound is known as neo. How many carbon here? 1 2 3 4 5. So it is known as the neopentyl chloride. This is known as neopentyl chloride.